My name is Hanif Jamaluddin, and this is my answer for lab test 2. So for question 1, this is for table 1, table 2, table 3, and for table 4. And then for question 2, for 2A, this is the coding for 2A. Then this is for the coding for 2B. This is the circuit for question 1. So for VAB in table 1, take the probe and put here and put the reference point here to get this value. And then for VBC, we take the probe and put it here and take the reference point and put it here to get 4.054. And then for BAD, so for BAD we get 7.67. Next for BDC, we get 2.325V. Next for VBD, put the main voltage probe here and reference point here. We get 1.728 for VBD. And for VAC, we get 10 volts. Okay, next for table 2, the current for AB. So we pick the current probe and place it here. So for current for AB is 27.027 milliamperes. Next for ICB, is 27.027 milliamperes. Next for AD, current of AD is 23.256 milliamperes. And then for current of CD, 23.256 milliamperes. And for current of FA, we get 50.283 milliamperes. Next for table 3, voltages around loop. So for ABCEFA, we put 6 probes on the circuit and we add the 6 probes. So 10 volts plus 4.0541 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 and plus 10 volts. So we get 24.054 volts. Next for ABDA. For ABDA, we put 4 probes, one at A, one at B, one at D, and one at A again. So we get the value of 26.379 volts. Next for BDCB, so BDCB is 6.379. Next, ABCDA. So for ABCDA, we get 26.379 volts. So for table 4, the current at A is 27.027 milliamperes plus 23.256 milliamperes. So we get 50.283 milliamperes. Next, the current for B. Current for B is 27.027 milliamperes. And for C, the current for C is 50.283 milliamperes. And finally, the current for D. Current for D is 23.256 milliamperes. For 2A, first set A as 4, then set B as 3, and so to find the hypotenuse, we set C as the hypotenuse, so square root A to the power of 2 plus B to the power of 2, and after adding these two values, we square root the values and we get 5. For 2B, first set A as 35, and then set B as 21, and then set C as 13. And to find the average value, we do A plus B plus C, and then divide by 3 to get 23.